committed enough that if you say you're something, you are that? Don't identify as a Catholic or a Christian out of one side of your mouth and then walk around saying, yes, abortions can happen all day long. Doesn't even faze me. That comes from the mouth of our president. I want you to think about these things, because this is the great divide that's happening in this country. It's not about, if you think about it, it all gets sifted down to some very simple thoughts. We have become a community of cowards, too afraid to speak up, so worried that we won't be politically correct and somebody out there will be offended. Well, I have news for you. If you look the wrong way, somebody's going to be offended. So don't worry about the words. Well, Pastor, you're supposed to be preaching love and unity. I just did. Speak the truth in love. Do not lie. Put away lying.
Come into this house, magnify the Lord, lift up holy hands, our hearts in one accord, worship and bow down.